Hey everyone, welcome back to Bharath AI. Today I am super excited to show you something special, something made for our farmers. Introducing Rythu AI, your smart agriculture assistant. Rythu AI is an AI-powered application I built to help farmers instantly detect plant diseases. All you need to do is upload a leaf image, wait for 2 to 3 seconds, and the tool provides complete diagnosis along with the solution. It's fast, simple, and high accurate. Let me show you how it works. First, click on Upload Image, then choose the plant leaf photo. Click Detect Results. Within a few seconds, Rythu AI displays the detailed results, including the disease name, severity, and treatment recommendation. And also, in few days, I am going to add a live chatbot that can answer anything about the disease, suitable pesticides, etc. in multiple languages. Now, check out in the Telugu language. I built Rythu AI because I wanted to create something meaningful, something that helps farmers save time, money, and their crops. Farmers don't always get experts immediately, so this tool instantly helps anytime. It works. It uses deep learning model trained on plants. The model compares your image with thousands of known disease patterns and gives the best possible diagnosis. If you want to try it out, link in the description. Share this someone who needs it, especially farmers, students or startups. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. This is Bharat building the future one project at a time. See you in the next one. Bye bye.